let's make some room here. Today, we're going to be talking about this stuff. Those mini nails or staples that are used to hold together pallets. How do we take them out? They're not very sturdy. It's not like we could hammer them through. And there's actually nothing on the other side that we could hold on to pull them out. So they're going to have to come through. What's the best tool for the job? Well, my preference is the Crescent nail puller. It's an excellent tool. Let's take a look at it. You can basically take the nail side, because these have no heads, you can pull them right through. The rest on the tool is perfect, gives you very nice leverage, a lot of power. But I realize most of you folks might not have this tool handy. Maybe you don't have the budget to get it, or maybe you just can't find it. So here's plan B. One of those little pliers that are used by some plumbers. Let's take a look at that. So if you use it in the same method, while it's not ideal, and I recommend pliers a little bit better than this with, grippers that close a little bit better. But you can basically do the same effect, rotating the pliers and yanking those nails or those staples out completely through. It doesn't really damage the wood because, again, there's no nail head. And you may have the occasional nail that slips out once or twice. But I don't find that it's too bad. It's just it's not a tool that's specifically designed for the job, but it can do the job fairly well. So if you got one of these bad boys lying around, well, it's definitely a tool you can use. However, since I already have the best tool for it, let's just do a little speed comparison. They do come out a little bit better with the Crescents because the grippers are designed to be completely parallel. Since this tool doesn't open, it doesn't need to have angle grippers that try to compensate for opening up more and grabbing bigger items. So it rarely slips out. So I hope this helps. If you like this video, like it. If you haven't subscribed before, hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss a single episode. See you next time. Oh yeah, and a big plus, get yourself a magnet. It's really nice to pick up all those nails, especially if some of them happen to drop on the floor.